Today we are here for the Ready to Fly event. This is an annual event we host here in the Aviation Center. It allows families with children with disabilities to be able to come to a simulation that is essentially like going to the airport. Our goal is to support families to get them having the skills that they need to be able to successfully fly in the future.
The first year or two, we discovered that my 5-year-old son is not so great at going through security, waiting, flying, sitting on airplanes, and we would like to travel with him eventually, but we want to make sure that he's prepared to do so, and this is a perfect opportunity to test that out and make sure that he's ready. If it were not for this event, I would probably not try flying with my son until he was much older. But because of this Ready to Fly event, I'm ready to dive into that a little bit sooner than I would be comfortable doing.